The product of two integers. What is 3 times 4? It is a repetitive addition of 4 3 times. We know this is 12. What is 3 times negative 4? With the same logic, it's negative 4 plus negative 4 3 times. The sum of integers with the same sign. We keep it and we add absolute values to get negative 12. What is negative 3 times 4? We can start with the 4 and say that it's negative 3 4 times. We keep the negative sign and we add, we get negative 12. We can see here that when we multiply two positive integers we got positive result, and when we multiply two numbers with different signs we got a negative number. We're left with the fourth case, which is negative 3 times negative 4. We can prove it in another video that it's positive 12. So the rule here is if you got two numbers with the same sign, the result is positive. If you get two numbers with different signs, the result is negative. Let's practice here. What is 5 times 2? We know this is 10. Always we multiply the absolute values. Negative 5 times negative 2. When we agree in the sign, it's positive. When we disagree, like this one, it's something negative. Disagree, so it's something negative. What if we have three numbers? 2 times minus 4 times 3. We can start by multiplying the first ones. It's negative 8 times 3. And here we have two numbers, they disagree in sign, it's negative. The product of the absolute values is 24. What if we have 2 minus times negative 3 times negative 4 times negative 1? We can take the first ones and then the last ones. Here we have negative 6 and here we have positive 4. There's no need to write the parentheses, but it's not a problem. Now I'm left with two numbers with different signs. It's negative 24. What if I have negative 2 times 3 times negative 5? Here you can take the first ones. You get negative 6 times negative 5. Two numbers with the same sign is positive. It's positive 30. What about 4 times 7 times 2 times negative 10? Can you guess the sign of the product? Of course, the three first ones are positive, and then the results is going to be multiplied by a negative number, so it's going to be negative. It's 28. It's 56 times 10, 560. What about this one? Negative 3 times negative 2 times negative 1 times negative 4. Can you guess the sign? The first one is going to be positive. Second one is going to be positive. So the result is going to be positive. Here's 6, here's 4, 24. What about this one? Negative 3 times 8 times 10 times negative 4. Can you guess the sign? Yep, we know that the product or multiplication is alternative, so we can change the order of the factors and it's not going to affect the result. So we can start with negative 3 times negative 4 and it's going to be positive, so the result is going to be positive. Here's 24. 24, it's 92, and times 10 is 920. So we can remark here that if the number of negative factors is odd, the result is negative. If the number of negative factors is even, the result is positive.